Thanks for joining me back to talk a little bit today about our stages of automation, focusing in today on the first stage, or that foundation. So when you are looking to kind of take that first step into digital transformation, you're going to find a lot of value within the organization by centralizing your content management. So all of your processes within your organization are driven by some type of content or information, whether that be physical documents that may be attached to emails or scanned into your system, data streams that are coming from other applications to drive processes. All of this information should be centralized within one application so that your team doesn't spend their time searching out information to do their jobs. So what I want to focus on today is looking at some questions and some considerations that you want to have in mind when you're looking for this foundational platform. So the first thing that you want to keep in mind is that you want a scalable solution. While it may be easy to bring in a niche solution focused on one specific area or manage your information in file shares or other shared areas for your content, you want to look at a scalable solution that's going to allow you to build on in other areas of the business and manage your growth alongside you. So again, when we're looking at questions to consider for this foundational platform, you want to look at, is there a scalable licensing model? Can the solution manage large volumes of content? And again, are you able to build on processes and that document repository into other areas of the business over time? Then you want to look and make sure that any content management platform or centralized information management solution is going to be secure. It's as equally important to make sure that you're getting your team access to the right information to drive processes and do their job as it is to make sure that the wrong people are not getting access to that information. So you want to make sure that you're asking, can the solution that you're bringing in as this foundation manage maybe compliance and regulation rules that you have? Is there a full audit trail of all actions that are taken within the system? And what kind of security and roles are available within the solution to make sure that you're meeting these needs moving forward? And then the last consideration that I think is important for any digital transformation journey is this idea of making sure that your solution is cloud enabled. Even if you aren't ready to necessarily put your solution into the cloud today, you want to make sure that that's an option for you moving forward, kind of going hand in hand with that scalability side of things. You want to make sure that kind of going back to that security idea, that any cloud-hosted solution has the right type of protection and security for your information while it's at rest, as well as in transit if it's a cloud-hosted solution. And then you want to ask some questions in terms of, will the solution be supported within your existing cloud-hosted infrastructure, whether that's AWS or Azure, or are you looking for a true software as a service platform that can be hosted in a managed cloud service for you? Thanks for joining me again to talk about that foundational solution. In the next video, we're going to touch on productivity management tools and how they can be used to kind of take that automation journey to the next level.